Okay, hello everyone. This is the first time I'm filming myself and talking to the camera, so it's really awkward for me. I really don't know. It's weird, I don't know how to do it, but I will be okay. So, I just want to tell that I'm in somewhere in this place called Jozankei Onsen. It's near Sapporo in Hokkaido, Japan, and I really have no idea how I came here. I just went to the tourist information, and yeah, I think this is not the way. I want to see nature, not tunnel. So I went back now. Uh, I went to the tourist information and they barely speak English, and I can barely understand English or their English. So they told me to go to some places. I chose to go here. I don't know why, but this is what I chose. So I took a bus. I barely find the bus. So after I took it, after 1 hour I think, I just came to this place. And I walked into a tourist information here. They didn't know English at all. So the guy just point on the bus, free shuttle. So I went into the bus and the bus took me like 15 minutes from then to the middle of nature. And the bus driver just told me, okay, walk in this time, go back, walk there, you bus. This is how he talked, okay? This is not me talking. This is what he said to me. And I said, okay. So I just started to walk in the middle of nowhere. I hope somewhere. There is no internet, so the Google Maps is not working. I didn't prepare like I should have. Like, I'm just with a sport shoes and short pants, just one sweatshirt of SpongeBob, and that's it. So I didn't prepare. I will ask now where to go and to where to go. I really don't know. I will let you guys know. Okay, so I went back and then I found a bus, this bus, this shuttle, and they told me, okay, buy a ticket if you don't want to walk. Buy a ticket for like 640 yen, it's not a lot of money, and we will go there for you, we'll drive you there. So, okay, I just saw the tunnel, I don't know if you saw it in the camera, so I said, no way I'm walking this. I think it's like 2 days of walking, so yeah, no, not happening. So I just take this shuttle and it will take me there. I think it's more like 5 minutes, but it's gonna be fine. At least I'm gonna see some nature, some landscapes maybe. There is a nice weather even though it was raining before, and but after 1 hour of driving to this place, and I slept in the shuttle, it was good sleep. I came here and I will let you know when I will be up there or near the lake, or I don't know where it will take me. I will let you know, guys. Bye bye. Okay, maybe it was worth it to take the shuttle, because I think if I was walking it would take me like an hour to get here, and it was like 10 minutes in the shuttle. So look at this place. I really hope you can see it good in the camera. I can do a canoe or SUP or rafting in this lake, but it's too cold for me to go into the water unless these are warm water. I don't know. We will find out. But no, I really don't want to go into the water right now. Even though I like water, but not today. Okay, so I just kept walking. Of course, everyone went into there, so I came into here because I hate to do what everyone else does. That's why I'm traveling alone in Japan and not walking in my country, right? So I just in this place. Yes, it's really weird to me to feel myself, but I will get over about it. And it seems that there is nothing to do here, so I just wanted to see the lake from this side, but it's closed, as you can see. But not for me. I'm from Israel, so the rules are not about us. Uh, of course, I'm joking, but I just want to see this view. Let's see it together. Like Japanese people say, Sugoi. They say it, not me. Okay, now let me take a picture with my personal phone. Okay, I go back to where everyone else went because I really don't know what I'm doing. I will just go with the flow because there are stairs over there and I saw there is a view over there, so I think it will be better to stay in the group. Okay, so I went up with this thing that I don't know the name in English, so sorry for that. There is no entry here. I think I will translate it later, but it seems like it. Even though there are some sticks there that can help me climb, but maybe I will climb. I have enormous shoes, I think I can. Maybe I will translate it later and we will see. I really want to go there, but I don't think I in shape to do it. We will figure it out. There is a nice building here. It seems closed. Maybe this building is for the hiking accessory. Maybe it's this it's serious than I expected. I want to see the lake and the waterfalls. I can hear the waterfalls, so let's hope we could see it. Okay, so this is the Glory Lake. I don't remember the name of this lake, but it's looking good. This is a nice view. Okay, so this is really beautiful view, and the sun is just pop out from the clouds. And look at this view of the lake. It's really beautiful. And I know it seems that I'm alone and there are no other people here, but there are a lot of people here. They just run away when I come. I don't know. I'm a foreign, so I don't think Japanese or Chinese. There are a lot of Chinese here. I don't think they like me or foreigners, but that's fine. Okay, don't step on this. Of course, I will. And look at this view. And I was joking. All the people here are very nice. They helped me. They helped me to came here, and it just in coincidence they are not here right now. So I take back. I take back what I said about the hatred about foreigners. Maybe they hide it. I don't know. I hope not. Okay, let's walk from here. Look at this nice building. And let's try and walk to the road that was closed. Maybe there is something interesting over there. So we will try it now. We will ask first if it is available for walking today. Okay, it's just say that this road is closed, but I don't think it's dangerous. It's fine. I saw the people from before they climbing it. I just don't want them to think that I follow them, because until now I did follow them, but okay, let's keep following them. Let's not fall. Okay, and let's follow them again until it will look like weird, and then I will go back. As you can see, there are a lot of stairs, and I'm not in shape for this. So if you hear me breathing, don't laugh. I really don't remember where is the shuttle back, but things are getting better in life, so everything will be okay. Now I will stop talking because I start breathing. A breathing of 20 meters of walking in the stairs. My situation is bad. Okay, let's keep walking. Okay, so I'm out breathing because the Chinese family they was before me, and I just went over them, I think, and I was acting like it's easy for me. So yeah, and it was not easy. But I think there are more 100 meters until the view. Maybe I will go there, maybe I will go back and help them if they still here. I think they went down. So let's go up. Okay, so this is the update from the up of the mountain. It's not that high. The same view over there. It's a really nice view. It was not that difficult, only 200 or 300 meters of stairs. I'm really happy because I just saw the Chinese family. They succeed to come up. So yes, I'm really happy. I'm too bad that I was in a phone call, so I couldn't suggest them that I will take a photo of them. But that's fine. We have still a lot of views for today. I hope so, because I don't know what the plans. I just go flow with the river. So yes, I will go down now because I think there is a shuttle very closed. So yes, I keep doing this, but I don't have watch, so it's just for the camera. And okay, I will go down now. Okay, so just an update. I came back from the place that I was. It was very organized. There was a shuttle in a few minutes, so I just took a shuttle like the guy told me before that I didn't understand. Now I understand what he tried to tell me. So I came back. This is the last shuttle that I will take with the first guy that tried to help me, and I will go back to the place, to the tourist information, and I don't know if I will go back to Sapporo. So this is where I came from. I don't know. And that's it. I think I will walk more in this area. What is the name again? The name is Jozankei Onsen. Okay, Jozankei Onsen, I think this is the name. So I think I will walk there a little bit more until the evening, and then I will go back to Sapporo. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.